Hi, I'm Cariaga from Guru Yoga, and today I'm going to show you how to do yoga on your SUP. Start by standing on your SUP. Hands above your head, inhale, bend the knees, forward fold, exhale. Squatting into chair pose, fierce pose, inhaling, hands to your heart, twisting, and then exhale. Press down, belly engaged, and then open up the hands, right arm to the sky, left hand to the floor. Breathe in, and then release on the exhale. Core engaged, feel the lungs, and then twist to the opposite side, finding a bind. Left arm behind your back, elbow in between the knees. Neck long, chest high, breathing in, and then out. Hands above your head, and repeat to the opposite side. Namaste.